Hi again, this is Micah Mitchell. I'm a Dynamics AX Support Specialist with Clients First Business Solutions. In this short video, we are going to review service profiles and their role in ProMRO. As we discussed in the previous videos, ProMRO enhances Dynamics AX Project through use of quick templates and forms which provide easy creation of quotes and projects. Service profiles are one of the foundations of everything quick. So service profiles make everything easier. What you do is you create comprehensive but generic service profiles for every type of equipment and service that you would work on in your shop. We're going to go ahead and go to the service profile details form. So this is where you would set up templates for service profiles. And it's very easy to set up templates for service profiles. It might seem like a lot to do in the beginning, but once you define these specific processes, you save countless hours of data entry and confusion, because every time a piece of equipment is quoted or entered, you know that that information is already entered in that service profile. So people can just select from that specific service profile. For example, you know every time equipment comes in, you're going to receive it. And say your average receiving time is 2 hours. So that's what you would put on the service profile. So whenever a quote is done or a project is created, you can just select receiving, and you always know that you're covered for whatever time it takes to do that receiving. Same with incoming inspection. You always have to inspect it. So we say it's going to take 3 hours. So those are two service profiles that are fairly easy and can span across any type of equipment. And changes can be made as well when you're creating the quote or the project. You can change how many hours. So if it's a bigger piece of equipment, or this customer has told you something that you know that you need to check, you can increase the hours or decrease the hours as necessary. It's very flexible. Another example is, say we need to do an engine overhaul template. So for an engine overhaul, we know that we have a certificate of conformance fee. We know that we say we're going to allocate 100 hours for that part. We might have airfare because we have to do something on site. And then we know that, say, for example, that it needs these 4 items, sorry about that. Anyway, so every time this piece of equipment comes in, when you select this service profile, all of these costs will be allocated to that quote or that project. Another great thing about service profiles is once you create one, it's very easy to create others, so copy it off of that service profile. So you don't have to rewrite it every single time. You can just tweak it. And also, you can uncertify it, so you can make changes if changes need to be made. You can also attach any drawings or anything like that. Always throughout Dynamics AX, you have the ability for attachments. And then another great feature is that if the service profile goes through approvals, basically, so it has to be certified in order for anybody to select it on a quote or on a project. So that helps keep all of your service profiles active, and make sure that people are not selecting from service profiles that are no longer certified or that are under development. Now that we've reviewed the building blocks of ProMRO, in the next video I will show you how easy it is to create a quote and project utilizing all of these building blocks. Thanks again for your time.